Moto Z2 Force may be late to the party, but it's one of the most exciting devices to come to India in a long time. It's nearly unbreakable and supports Moto Mods, but underneath the tough exterior lies an aged hardware that just about does the job. Amidst phones that are basically just a photocopy of each other, the Moto Z2 is uniquely different. It is perhaps the most durable phone among all flagships and can outlast them for years. Furthermore, the ability to augment its features through Moto Mods makes the phone an ecosystem of its own. However, you might find the phone lacking in the features that is all the rage right now: a bezel-less design, 18:9 display. What's irksome is that the phone performs just as well as its competition but will lose out simply because the new crop of flagships powered by more powerful chipsets are right around the corner. What qualifies as a high-end premium phone? Ask anyone and the answer will range from cutting-edge hardware, to a never-ending list of features and a shiny new design. Rarely will you find the build quality of a smartphone taking precedence. Even more so, in the last few years as manufacturers seem to have a new liking for phones with glass back. Well, Motorola has something different to say about that. The top-of-the-line flagship phone by the company, that released in India, albeit 6 months late, aims to last longer than the expensive offerings from the likes of Samsung and Apple, both in terms of build quality and features. We're talking about the Moto Z2 Force, the company's second attempt at a modular phone with a build quality that can outlast the flashiest of phones. It's a novel gesture from Moto. By making a phone that wouldn't beg for an upgrade in less than a year, the company may be losing out on sales volume, but it will gain more goodwill from satisfied customers than ever before. When you are spending Rs 30,000 and above on a smartphone, you would expect it to remain valuable longer. No one likes to see a cracked display, and the Moto Z2 Force will not let you face that humiliation. Let it drop, let it slip, let it fall. The display will remain intact. Yet, like everything in this planet, it's not perfect. Under the hard, nearly unbreakable exterior is a processor that's now a year old, while those fascinated by the new taller displays will find the Moto Z2 Force ancient almost. It's this set of contrasting elements that made reviewing and recommending this phone a little difficult. Not as difficult as shattering the display of this phone, though. Since this is such a unique proposition with highly contrasting pros and cons, I decided to break this review down into questions you might ask yourself before buying.